Hello. For today's math practice, we're going to be using this workbook that I've got here at home. And we can take a piece of scrap paper at home or your yellow notebook, and you can write this as your title. Comparing fractions is your title, which we underline. And what in the world is the date? April 13th, 20th, I believe, is the date today. Yes. So this is about Daniel's dogs. Maybe not our Daniel, but hey, look how cute they are. Daniel has 3 dogs, Spot, Pearl, and Brownie. Daniel feeds them Doggy Diamond Crunch. Each day, Spot eats half of the box, Pearl eats a quarter of the box, and Brownie eats an eighth of the box. Which dog eats the most each day? Which dog eats the least each day? Show the fractions in the correct order, which we see here. So if you know how to do this problem, this is where you pause the video, and please go off and do this and come back to see the answer. So what I see here is when I ask you what are the numbers, I hope you saw that the numbers are 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8. And when I ask what the key words are, I think I see the word most is a key word, and we've also got least. And the correct order to me also seems like a key word. Okay? And if you were an excellent student, you would also have done a movie in your mind. But I see the doggies here. That's enough of a movie for me. I guess if I was also, I think a good movie in the mind, but we've got the dogs for sure. I said I was going to get a little lazy, but then I decided not to get lazy. So there's a dog. There are 3 of them. Okay. And they each eat 3 boxes of food. Esta es comida. So one has a half box, one has a quarter box, and one has an eighth of a box. That's how I envision it, because I can see those fractions in my mind. Can you? But let's now really properly draw these fractions. So first you would, of course, draw a fraction bar. And to represent 1/2, we would really just eyeball that, and boom. There's a half. And then, again, boom. Try and really I just drew on a book. That's terrible. Ooh. Really want to try and make those rectangles equal. So we have 2 halves. We're drawing a fourth. And then we, again, split it. You really want to make them look good, A fourth. And then again, we draw a rectangle. Exactly the same size. We go a half, a quarter. We're drawing an eighth here. Why do I always forget to tell you? And again, doodly-doo, and an eighth. There we go. So it is asking us for the most, la grande, the least, chiquita, in the correct order. So what is the most? Well, this one is obviously the biggest one. Delicious. And this one is in the middle. And the eighth. So esta is the most. And this one, this is the least. Okay, so it asks you here to show how you figured this out. You can use these models to help you. They gave us different models. So here they used rectangles. Here they used a number line. Could we have drawn it as a number line? I'm going to turn. If we had a number line, boom. There's 0. There's 1. Okay, well there is 1/2. This is 1/4. 2 quarters. 3/4. And then if we were to have done this, boom, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 1 or 8/8. Okay, let's try the next question over here. Can you see it? I hope so. Pearl and Brownie, let's cover it. Number 2. Pearl and Brownie spend much of each day sleeping. Lucky dogs. Pearl sleeps for 3/5 of the day and Brownie sleeps for 7/10 of the day. Which of the two dogs sleeps longer? How much longer does it sleep each day? Well, that's tricky. Show how you figured it out. Now that's trickier. So let's start off. What are the numbers? Well, we have 3/5. So I hope you paused the video and did this on your own before you came back. And then we have 7/10. And what are some of the key words? Well, for sure, longer. This is the biggest, la grande. And how much longer? How much longer? So when I hear this word much, I think of subtraction. So here, then, what is the movie in the mind? Well, here is the dog. And it's sleeping. Oh, no. Z. They're sleeping. Oh, I can snore here over here in my house. Okay, so they're sleeping. So which one sleeps longer? So the un dia of 1 day. So let's draw this. Well, we got to compare these fractions. So first we're going to draw 3/5. So that's tricky because you need how many pieces? You need 5 pieces. So I 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use one finger. Try to make it, somewhat of the right size. Not bad, not bad. And it's 3/5. So if we wanted to, we could draw 1/5, 1/5. Okay. Now the next one, we're going to draw another rectangle that's almost exactly the same. Okay, we're going to draw in our 5s because here we are drawing 7/10. Okay, so I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To draw the 10, I go in the middle. Boom. Boom. Okay, 7/10. Well, let's put in the 10s. Let's be good students today. Draw in all of the unit fractions. Okay, and now we're going to color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/10. Oh, and we were supposed to color up here. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So it's hard to see, but you can see here, this one is the biggest one. So which of the two dogs sleeps? Well, Brownie sleeps for 7/10. And who sleeps? Pearl sleeps for 3/5. This is Pearl. So who sleeps longer? Which one is bigger? Muy grande. Brownie. So we would say Brownie, if we were a good student writing in complete sentences, sleeps longer than Pearl. Okay, but now it's asking how much longer does it sleep each day? So now we have a tricky thing because we need to make them both, we need to have the same denominator. So I'm actually going to use a red pencil to show you. I'm going to make this one into 10s. And to do that, I'm going to use these lines. Boom. See? I'm lining them up. I'm lining them up. So now we have, this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. And how many are colored in? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/10. Okay, 6/10. And this one we know is 7/10. So now we need to do a subtraction question. 7/10 minus 6/10 equals 1/10. So now let's see how we would, how much longer does it sleep each day? Brownie sleeps 1/10 longer than Pearl each day. Whoop. Boom. Excellent. So, if you do pause the video and go back if you need this information. Let's do one more for today and then we'll call it quits on this math practice. Daniel's, can you see? It's tricky to see. All right. Daniel's dogs often share a huge dog cookie as a treat. Spot always eats 2/3 of the cookie. Pearl always eats 5/12 of the cookie. And Brownie always eats 1/6 of the cookie. Who eats the most? Show how you figured it out. So again, you would pause the video before coming back. And then once you've come back, the first thing I ask, well, what are the numbers? And we've got 2/3, we have 5/12, and we have 1/6. And the key, was looking at the camera. Key words, well, I would say most. Okay? And what's happening in this situation? So they have a cookie. A cookie. This is a chocolate chip cookie. Okay? And who is eating the most? Are they eating this much? Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. Or are they eating this much of the cookie? Okay, maybe your picture was better than mine. But for me to figure this out, I'm gonna start off here with the 2/3. I'm gonna draw a fraction bar. So drawing a rectangle to equal 2/3. And I'm gonna maybe use 2 fingers. Those look, they look okay. Maybe I'm gonna move this one. I just really like them to look good, you know, really equal. Okay, I'm obsessing. All right, we'll just go with that. Okay, so that's 1/3, 2/3. Now we need to do 1/6. So 1/6. So now we'll draw the 1, 2, 3, and now in the middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1/6. And the last one we need to draw is 5/12. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then it's 5/12. So 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12. So which one ate the most? Well, this is the biggest. And who ate 2/3? Spot. So you would say here, you see Spot always eats 2/3. So Spot ate the most cookie. Alrighty, so that's our math practice today. Over and out.